Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Python or Anaconda is installed and working. This is essential so Jupyter can run. Once done, install the notebook package with pip or conda, and immediately verify by running Jupyter Notebook version and a quick terminal launch. If the notebook opens in your browser, you're ready to create a small launcher script that points to your chosen working folder. This gets you out of setup and into the concrete step of creating a desktop entry. Now you'll create the actual launcher that the desktop shortcut will call. On Windows, make a bat file. On macOS or Linux, make an executable. Command/sh. In that file, cd to the folder you want as your notebook root, then run Jupyter Notebook with flags like notebook dir and port. Use no browser on Windows and open the URL automatically. Make the file executable and test it from a terminal so you know it reliably opens your target directory every time. Finally, add a desktop shortcut that points to your launcher script and give it a clear name and icon so you can open notebooks with one double-click. On Windows, right-click New Shortcut and browse to the bat. On macOS, drag the command to the desktop or create an Automator app. Make sure the shortcut runs with the correct working directory and permissions, then test it. If something fails, check path, firewall, port conflicts, and Jupyter token or permission errors. These fixes usually resolve startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.